Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very warm good morning to all the worthy excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, those who are listening or watching us anywhere across the world. My warm greetings and regards to them, and my special gratitude to the Dawn Media Group. And I really want to welcome here a very young champion, a star of Pakistan from Balochistan hub, Zunaira Qayyum. I would request everyone to give her a round of applause. She's a climate champion of Pakistan, and she's a great pride. I would request if she can stand so everybody can look at her. So she was being in the COP as well, and she represents Pakistan. Yeah. It also shows the commitment that how we believe in our girls and how we have a great champions. Thank you very much, Zunaira, for your great efforts. My dear ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, it's a great honor to stand before you today at Breathe Pakistan, the Pakistan Symposium on Governance and Climate Change. This symposium underscores the critical intersection of governance and climate action, emphasizing the need for effective policies, resilient institutions, and innovative solutions. I extend my sincere gratitude to Mr. Ehsan Iqbal Chaudhry for his leadership in this domain, as well as to my fellow keynote speaker, Ms. Mariam Aurangzeb, and of course all those speakers who are sitting over here, for their dedication to shaping Pakistan's sustainable future. This initiative is a testament of our collective resolve to address the most pressing challenge of our time: climate change. I extend my deepest appreciation, of course, once again to Dawn Media for convening this critical dialogues, and to our esteemed speakers who have set the stage for a transformative directions and discussions, and where we are talking about the need of the time and the need for the solutions, for the regional solutions as well. Pakistan stands at a defining moment in its climate journey. As a country on the front line of climate change, we face mounting challenges, extreme weather patterns, water scarcity, and environmental degradation. These challenges are not just environmental concerns. They threaten our economy, our food security, and the well-being of millions of people. However, Pakistan is not defined by these challenges alone. We are defined by our resilience and our ability to overcome adversity. We cannot overlook the shocking common challenges that require our foremost attention, followed by the quickest actions to meet the targets. We live in a world where severe poverty and hardship coexist with extreme wealth. Climate change, as a consequence of fatal carbon emissions from industrial waste, is playing a havoc in developing nations in the form of flash floods triggered by melting glaciers. Maternal and child mortality and unacceptability high. Millions of our children are out of school. Girls and women still await equal opportunities. We stand at a crossroads, and generations to come will never forgive us if we do not stand together and deliver today as being standing together with each other. I must say, ladies and gentlemen, that it's now or it's never. Despite these challenges, Pakistan stands as a nation of opportunity, resilience, and determination. We are not merely passive victims of climate change. We are active participants in foraging solutions. With the right governance structures, interventional collaborations, and innovative climate policies, Pakistan can turn these challenges into opportunities for green growth and sustainable development. We believe in a future where climate action drives economic prosperity, where environmental sustainability, forests, social equity, and where Pakistan emerge as a leader in climate resilience. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a question of justice. Pakistan is paying the price of something that was created by others. And not only Pakistan, of course, all the vulnerable countries who have been the victim of the climate change. The irreparable loss of precious lives, destruction of even the basic infrastructure such as roads, houses, schools, and basic health units by the recent floods makes it imperative for Pakistan to leave no stone unturned in effort to rescue, rehabilitation, and rebuilding. Under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Mian Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Pakistan is taking bold steps towards a sustainable and climate-resilient future. Our commitment to the Living Indus initiative aims to restore the health of our river system. The Recharge Pakistan program focused on floods, resilience, and water conservation, while our efforts under the Loss and Damage Flood ensure the vulnerable communities receive the support of the need. As the leading climate advocate appointed by the Prime Minister to drive Pakistan's climate agenda, I would like to ensure everyone to overhear our commitment to a sustainable and climate-resilient future remains unwavering. We are actively working on consolidating joint efforts to strengthen climate action to our region, introducing innovative mechanisms of institutionalizing sustainable development goals and ensuring that our climate policies will be impactful and far-reaching. Our journey towards a greener Pakistan is not one we take alone. Strong partnerships with the United Nations and World Bank and regional allies enable us to implement meaningful, large-scale climate action. We need increased climate financing, technology transfer, and capacity building support to achieve our ambitions, targets under the Paris Agreement, and our national determined contributions. Ladies and gentlemen, at the provisional level, as you heard from the Madam Mariam and from the Honorable Minister Ehsan Iqbal Sahab, we are witnessing an encouraging moment. Punjab is leading the charge with the sustainable urban planning, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa afforestation and nature-based solutions are setting a precedent for others to follow. We must ensure that every province, every district, and every citizen becomes an active participant in our shared climate journey. Ladies and gentlemen, governance and climate change are not separate issues. They are deeply interconnected. Strengthening governance structures is fundamental to implementing climate policies that work. We must move beyond discussions and accelerate implementations. We must invest in the green solutions, promote climate education, and empower our youth and, of course, our children to be architects. Strengthen the region by building up a networking group of joint working in tackling the challenges we face. Our planet is running out of time. Breathe Pakistan is more than just a conference. It is a call for action. It is a call for policy makers, businessmen, civil society, media, and individuals to unite in the fight against climate change. In this regard, media plays an instrumental role in raising awareness and shaping public discourse towards climate change. The power of storytelling, investigative journalism, and digital media campaigns cannot be overstated in mobilizing communities and influencing policy decisions. It is essential to establish, I would request it is and urge that it's a great need of the time, that it is very essential to establish a dedicated caucus on media of climate change internationally on awareness, a platform that brings together media professionals, environmental experts, and policymakers to drive climate realization across the sector of society. Through responsible reporting and compiling narratives, we can turn climate awareness into climate action. Ladies and gentlemen, Excellencies, Pakistan has long been considered one of the most vulnerable countries to climate change in the world. But we will not be beaten. Today it's Pakistan, tomorrow it can be someone else, but we must not sit back for it to happen somewhere else. We too must look beyond the current crisis and act and set our sights high as we strike out of a world of dignity and opportunity for all on a healthy planet. And in the end, I would really like to thank all of your commitment and dedication, all those guests who came from far away, from all across the world. I look forward to outcomes of this seminar, this conference, which will guide us in strengthening our regional efforts for climate resilience, ensuring that all communities will get benefits from our collective progress. Let us work together to ensure that Pakistan breathes cleaner air and becomes a global leader in climate resilience. And I would request to all to come up with the regional solutions, because in the end, I would just like to say, it's not you, it's not me, it's us. Let's stand together. Thank you very much. Have a great day.